I want to know, what is your why? Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Heidi. So my husband and I are firm believers that everything happens for a reason. As some of you guys may know, we are doing a healthier lifestyle, clean eating. He's doing the keto lifestyle, I clean eat. And when I was given this opportunity, it was absolutely a no-brainer for me because I only share things that I am passionate about, and helping people stay motivated in anything they do is what I'm all about. So if you need motivation and you want to know more about 310 and how it has helped me lose weight and now maintain, my husband is still losing, I will share his journey a little bit in here too. Keep on watching. As I mentioned before, motivation. This is absolutely the hardest part in the entire process. But with 310 Nutrition, they have an amazing Facebook community. They have over 270 plus thousand members. They share recipes, you guys, their before and after photos, their progress. It is a great community to be a part of. Some of you guys may know that I have two amazing kids, but what you don't know is that I gained 40 plus pounds with each pregnancy. Now my kids were 6-pound babies, so after my second child, my daughter Alyssa, I found 310 Nutrition, and what has helped me tremendously is their meal replacement shakes. Before we dive in onto what 310 Nutrition has to offer, I want to let you guys know in my description box, I have a link that will give you 15% off of your order if you go through that link if you're interested in these products. Let's go ahead and jump into the meal replacements now. So for the meal replacement shake, I want to show you exactly how easy it is to make. I'm going to tell you all about it, so hopefully I'll answer any questions you may have. So for the flavors, they have 3 different ones: a vanilla, chocolate, and salted caramel. It's a toss-up for me between the salted caramel and the chocolate. I really love both. I love all 3, but those 2 are my favorite ones. These organic meal replacement shakes are only 110 calories. They are packed with 15 grams of protein. If you are doing a keto lifestyle, 2 net carbs, 0 sugar, and on top of that, it fits all kinds of dietary needs as well as non-GMO, soy-free, dairy-free, gluten-free. Depending on where you are in your journey, you can use these meal replacement shakes 1 to 2 times a day. I love to customize things, and these shakes are perfect to customize. And another great thing is on the back, there is a QR code. So if you're looking for recipes, all you have to do is open up your camera, scan this QR code. It'll bring up the 310 Nutrition site, but it'll link you directly to all the recipes that they have available. I thought that was pretty cool. For the shake add-ins, this is totally up to you on what you want to put in yours. For me, I like a creamy texture, so I freeze bananas and then I'll add them into my shakes. So you can do just milk like I had mentioned before, milk alternative, water, fruits and veggies of your choice. And if you're looking for inspiration, scan that QR code. You will not be disappointed. They have so many recipes available. I think I covered everything about the shakes, but if you still have questions, leave them in the comments for me. Now let's go ahead and whip up one of these. I'm going to do the salted caramel. For this shake, I'm using 1 frozen banana, almond milk, peanut butter. They have a peanut butter powder on their website. If you're watching your calorie intake, that is amazing. And here we go, guys. First thing you'll do is you'll add in 8 ounces of your liquid of your choice. I use the almond milk. You could also use regular milk or water for this. For my frozen banana, you guys, I do not take the time to cut them up. All I do is split the banana in half, wrap it in press and seal, and then put it in a Ziploc freezer bag, and then I'm good to go. For this packet, this is already pre-measured out. If you buy the larger bags, it has a scooper in there. That way you can just measure it out with ease. There's no guessing at it. You can just do the scoop and pour it in. So if you're like me, before I like to make a big purchase, I like to do my research and find out how good the product is. If I'm maybe wanting to try it, I like the fact that 310 Nutrition has a starter kit. Now with this starter kit, they have them starting at $9, and with my code, you'll receive the 15% off. They have kits for just shakes. They have a keto one available. The ones where you can try the lemonade and the teas. I tell you what, guys, the teas, the detox ones are absolutely amazing. I love them, especially the hibiscus one. So go ahead and check it out and see if it's something that you're interested in. And as some of you guys already know, I love to make life easier. So if I can share any simple tips and tricks along the way, I will definitely do that with these 310 nutrition shakes. They take less than 5 minutes to make with a little meal prep with the bananas. You don't even have to have the bananas. You can do it just regular. So simple. And it's so good. With the shaker cup, it comes with this that you can attach. Perfect for if you're out going to the gym or you want to take it with you. I hook it onto my purse, and I also use this for my 310 lemonades. So when I'm waiting in the car line to pick up my son, I attach it to my purse. It's convenient, and if you do not have access to a blender, you can just use this. It's a shaker cup. You can blend it together. I do prefer the blender over the shaker cup, but if you don't, this is an option that's available. You don't have to go out and buy a fancy blender, just something that will blend your shake to your liking. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the 310 lemonade. So let's talk now about the 310 lemonades. Now these I love because one, with the normal like drink mixes that you add into your water, I don't like them. I don't like the aftertaste it gives. These do not have any artificial flavors or sweeteners. These are made with real lemons, and it's non-GMO, and it has no preservatives in it, which is really good. And like I said, I take these when I go get my son. It's one of my goals every day to make sure I get in water. And then this also is only 10 calories. Can't go wrong with 10 calories if you're drinking water, right? I want to share my husband's journey right now. So he has started 8 weeks ago, lost 31 pounds so far. Here is his before, his durings. He will be taking another picture when the next month comes around. So he is on a keto lifestyle, which is also clean eating. And you guys, I could not be more proud of him. So while I enjoy my shake, I want to give you guys some pointers on exactly what I do. 5 small changes that has helped me along the way with using 310. Number 1 is portion control. My husband and I, we use smaller plates. It helps you eat less, takes in less calories. It'll save you money as well. So that is number 1. Number 2, want to do, it's meal prep. Whether it's snack prep, meal prep, something to get you prepared for the entire week. I like to do this every single week. I even get my daughter involved. She loves helping me out in the kitchen, so it's a great way if you have kids that want to help, get them getting healthier options. They like to lead by example, so I like to do that with my meal prep. Number 3 is going to be clean eating. This is very important with a 310 lifestyle. It just makes you feel better in the process. Along with clean eating, I love to get exercise in, regardless of if it's just 30 minutes a day, something to get you moving. I'm not a runner. I don't really enjoy cardio, but I do enjoy beating my friend at Beat Saber on the Oculus. I'm just kidding. She beats me 99% of the time, but we have fun doing it and we challenge ourselves, and it's something that will get me burning a ton of calories and feeling good. So find something you like to do. If you love what you do, you're willing to do it more than once. And if you need any motivation, I am here. Like I said, I'm here to help you guys out with anything that you want to do in life to set your goals. So with that being said, I'm going to move on to number 5, water. It's absolutely important to increase your water intake. So those 5 small changes I hope have inspired you to get you going. Before you leave, I want to know, what is your why? And I'll also be sharing some meal prep ideas, dinner on a budget. I'll give you guys an update on the B12 melts that I'm taking. If you guys have any suggestions that you want to see, leave them in the comment section for me. I'm going to take my shake, go enjoy it before I go grab my son from school. You guys have a great day. Bye.